this video we are going to check out the Airtable app. So first of all, go to the level of marketplace and then search Airtable, then install it. If you want to install on all the location, then install it on the agency level. Otherwise, you can also install on a particular location as well, like these are. So we are going to install on all the location. So here we proceed. Here, wait for some time. The app is installing. So after installation done, go to the location level, and there will be a custom page. This one, this one. So all the installed app will show here. So here, search Airtable and then configure it. So here you need a API key of Airtable. So first of all, we will create the Airtable account. Here I already created the account. So first of all, go there and click on the developers. So it will redirect to this page. So here you will create a token, like I already created it, and make sure you selected all the scopes here, like read data, and you should select all the scopes. Like in this case, there is no scope left, so make sure you selected them. So also select access one, these two, and this will be disabled. So create the token. After creating it, copy this and go there and submit. So now your credentials are saved. So now you can use this app on the automation in the workflow builder. Thank you.